Hello everybody, welcome to our cooking channel, and I'm there with Samuel Winkler from Slavkov and Martin Valera from Brno.
Hi.
Hello, what's up? And today we are cooking our own salad, and ingredients are olive oil, tomatoes, cucumber, lettuce, Balkan cheese, pepper and salt.
We have ingredients, so let's go!
We have washed our ingredients. I will chop cucumber. The next one is Balkan cheese.
So we can mix it.
And our salad is done, and it was delicious.
Trash we will throw out.
I will go cutting.
Hello there.
Hey guys, it's finished.
Toto, behind the scenes nedáme. And we have a salad.